girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun and a practical skill. Today, our topic of spoken English is call plus. Call plus. Let's have a practice. Call plus means call added preposition, and when we add a preposition with a call, it is called a phrase. Let's see these phrases. First one is catch on, catch on, catch on, catch on, catch on, catch on, catch on. मशहूर होना, मशहूर होना, मशहूर होना. Catch on, catch on. Ali's name in polo will catch on soon. 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 अली का नाम पोलो में जल्द मशहूर हो जाएगा. Next phrase is carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on. Please carry on your work. Please carry on your work. मेहरबानी करके अपना काम जारी रखो. Carry on, carry on, carry on means जारी रखना. Please carry on your work. मेहरबानी करके अपना काम जारी रखो. Guys and girls, next phrase is carry out, carry out, carry out. तामील करना, हुक्म बजा लाना. Carry out means in Urdu, तामील करना, हुक्म बजा लाना. They will carry out his orders. They will carry out his orders. They will carry out his orders. वो उसके अहकामात की तामील करेंगे. Call on. Next phrase is call on, call on, call on, call on, call on. मिलने के लिए आना. Call on. मिलने के लिए आना. She will call on me this evening. 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 वो आज शाम को मुझे मिलने आएगी. वो आज शाम में मुझे मिलने आएगी. Next is call up, call up, call up, call up, call up, call up. फोन करना. My friend called me up yesterday. 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 मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे कल फोन किया. Next is come about, come about, come about, come about. रूनमा होना. How all this came about, how all this came about, how all this came about, how all this came about. ये तमाम कैसे रूनमा हुआ, ये तमाम कैसे रूनमा हुआ. And last phrase is count on, count on, count on, count on. भरोसा करना. Everyone counts on him. Everyone counts on him. Everyone counts on him. हर कोई उस पर भरोसा करता है. Okay, guys and girls, let's have a say again. Catch on, catch on, catch on. मशहूर होना. Ali's name in polo will catch on soon. Ali's name in polo will catch on soon. Carry on, carry on. जारी रखना. Please carry on your work. Please carry on your work. मेहरबानी करके अपना काम जारी रखो. Carry out, carry out, carry out, carry out, carry out. They will carry out his orders. They will carry out his orders. वो उसके अहकामात की तामील करेंगे. Call on, call on, call on, call on, call on. She will call on me this evening. 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 वो आज शाम को मुझे मिलने आएगी. Call up, call up, call up. फोन करना. My friend called me up yesterday. My friend called me up yesterday. मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे कल फ़ोन किया. Call about, call about, call about. रूनमा होना. How all this came about. Sorry. Come about, come about, come about, come about. रूनमा होना. How all this came about. How all this came about. ये तमाम कैसे रूनमा हुआ. count on, count on, count on, भरोसा करना, count on, भरोसा करना, count on, भरोसा करना. Everyone counts on him. Everyone counts on him. हर कोई उस पर भरोसा करता है. Hey guys and girls, you have seen these verbal phrases. You have to make a lot of practice, and by making a practice you will be able to speak a good English. Please keep on trying. I leave now. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Goodbye. See you again.